Guys, we are back for a new video. Don't forget, let's celebrate our 1,400k views. So let's have a ride. Have a ride in a train. Now we're gonna ride. Sorry it's so slow, but it's okay. Have fun. Have fun for a while. Climb here. No. Take a look. I wish we can get that 50 steps so we can face review. So I can face reveal. Wait for the end. This we have a ride. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like for a new video. Soon I will gonna upload surviving in hardcore mode. So don't forget to subscribe for me. So you will see my face now. But I just said 50 subs. I will face reveal. And soon I'm gonna interview myself, right? But just don't forget to subscribe here, subscribe, share, and comment, and like. Click it right now for a latest new video. Bye bye guys, bye bye.